Chiegni kanonya kwa mga jong chendo en migago wadhi mbele gweche manyen. Lakteche makathieth ma Moi Teaching and Referral Eldoret gikone ochungo ng'anyo margi ma obiro bang' tenda kathieth no kete tim moko kuom dwach lakteche go ma jong'anyo go ne wacho ni timore kanyo. Winje mathoth.
We always say that by the time you're going on strike, it is a time that things need to be resolved, because we have always taken promissory notes with employers, that's county governments, with the national government, and even with other national referral hospitals. But that always leads to subsequent strikes. But since 4th of this month, this board and management have been working around time to ensure that the doctors that have not been promoted are promoted, and they're going to receive their letters almost after this. We also have the issues of the contract that was affecting the doctors. This has also been resolved, and the issue of discrimination on these doctors, why they can't access medical insurance, why they can't get promoted, has also been resolved. The issues of third-party deductions and the loans that have not been remitted, we acknowledge that there was deductions or reductions in the allocation to MTRH, and we believe by the promise of these discussions where Ministry and Treasury has agreed to release the monies, these are all going to be paid. So this is done in goodwill, and we believe that it is not in all honest way to come to MTRH anytime soon to go on another strike. We believe that the commitments we put on paper today will be implemented full and in total.